Step into the world of luxury and relaxation at the Grand Bavaro Princess All-Suites Resort, Spa and Casino, a stunning 5-star paradise nestled on the pristine shores of Bavaro Beach in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. This sprawling resort offers a perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and tropical charm, making it an ideal destination for families, couples, and groups seeking an unforgettable Caribbean getaway. Let's start our journey by exploring the accommodations at Grand Bavaro Princess. The resort boasts an impressive array of room options to suit every traveler's needs. From the luxurious Platinum Suites to the spacious Family Club Junior Suites, there's something for everyone. The Platinum Suites are a true indulgence, offering premium amenities like a private reception, exclusive beach club access, and 24-hour room service. Imagine waking up to breathtaking ocean views from your private balcony, sipping on a perfectly crafted cocktail from your in-room premium drinks bar. For those traveling with little ones, the Family Club Junior Suites provide ample space and kid-friendly amenities, ensuring a comfortable stay for the whole family. And let's not forget the romantic honeymoon Platinum Suites, where lovebirds can enjoy special touches like a candlelit dinner and a surprise gift. With a range of room types available, you'll find your perfect home away from home at Grand Bavaro Princess. Now, let's talk about the culinary delights that await you at this tropical paradise. Grand Bavaro Princess is a food lover's dream, offering a diverse range of dining options that will tantalize your taste buds. The resort features 7 restaurants, each with its own unique flavor and atmosphere. Start your day with a sumptuous breakfast at the Buffet Platinum Club, where you'll find an impressive spread of international dishes to fuel your adventures. For lunch, why not try some authentic Mexican fare trappage or indulge in fresh sushi at Wasabi? As the sun sets, treat yourself to a romantic Italian dinner at Focaccia or savor Caribbean specialties at Hispaniola. And for those late-night cravings, Rebel Snack Bar is open 24/7, serving up tasty bites whenever hunger strikes. With such a variety of cuisines and dining experiences, you'll never have to eat the same meal twice during your stay. The resort's all-inclusive package means you can indulge to your heart's content without worrying about the bill. When it comes to relaxation and recreation, Grand Bavaro Princess has you covered. The resort boasts 3 expansive outdoor swimming pools, including a dedicated kids' pool area. Picture yourself lounging by the crystal-clear waters, sipping on a tropical cocktail from one of the swim-up bars, or taking a refreshing dip to escape the Caribbean heat. For those seeking ultimate relaxation, the Resort Spa and Wellness Center is a haven of tranquility. Treat yourself to a rejuvenating massage, detoxify in the sauna, or pamper yourself with a facial using luxurious products. The fitness enthusiasts among you will appreciate the well-equipped gym, where you can maintain your workout routine while enjoying panoramic views of the lush tropical landscape. And let's not forget the piece de resistance, the stunning white sand beach that stretches as far as the eye can see. Whether you prefer to bask in the sun, take a leisurely stroll along the shoreline, or try your hand at thrilling water sports, the beach at Grand Bavaro Princess is your playground. For those seeking adventure and entertainment, Grand Bavaro Princess offers a plethora of activities to keep you engaged throughout your stay. Start your day with an invigorating yoga session on the beach, followed by a game of tennis on one of the resort's well-maintained courts. Water sports enthusiasts can dive into a world of excitement with activities like snorkeling, kayaking, and paddleboarding. If you're feeling lucky, why not try your hand at the on-site casino? As the sun sets, the resort comes alive with nightly entertainment, including live music performances and theme parties. Whether you're in the mood for a quiet evening or a lively night out, there's always something happening at Grand Bavaro Princess. Families traveling with children will find that Grand Bavaro Princess goes above and beyond to ensure that even the youngest guests have an unforgettable vacation. The resort's Kids Club is a wonderland of fun and excitement, offering a range of supervised activities for children aged 4 to 12. From arts and crafts sessions to mini discos and treasure hunts, there's never a dull moment for the little ones. The dedicated kids' pool area provides a safe and enjoyable environment for water play, complete with fun slides and splash features. And for those moments when the whole family wants to spend time together, the resort offers various family-friendly activities like beach volleyball, cooking classes, and movie nights under the stars. With so many options available, parents can relax knowing that their children are having the time of their lives. While the Grand Bavaro Princess offers enough amenities and activities to keep you entertained throughout your stay, the surrounding area of Punta Cana is rich with attractions waiting to be explored. Just a short drive from the resort, you'll find the breathtaking Bavaro Cave, a natural wonder that's perfect for a day of exploration and adventure. Nature lovers will appreciate the Punta Cana Ecological Reserve, where you can immerse yourself in the local flora and fauna. For a truly unique experience, don't miss the chance to visit Hoyo Azul, a stunning natural cenote with crystal-clear turquoise waters. Golf enthusiasts can tee off at the nearby Punta Cana Golf Club, which offers challenging courses set against a backdrop of tropical beauty. And for a fun-filled family day out, Manatee Park is just a short distance away, offering interactive animal encounters and educational experiences. With so many nearby attractions, you can easily mix relaxation at the resort with exciting excursions to create a well-rounded vacation experience. As we wrap up our tour of Grand Bavaro Princess, it's clear that this resort offers a truly exceptional vacation experience. From the luxurious accommodations and diverse dining options to the wide range of activities and beautiful beachfront location, every aspect of the resort is designed to ensure a memorable stay. The attentive staff goes above and beyond to cater to guests' needs, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere that keeps visitors coming back year after year. While some guests have noted that the resort size can be a bit overwhelming at first, most agree that this simply means there's always something new to discover during your stay. The resort's commitment to sustainability, as evidenced by its TravLife certification, adds an extra layer of appeal for environmentally conscious travelers. What truly sets Grand Bavaro Princess apart from other resorts in the area is its ability to cater to a wide range of travelers while maintaining a high standard of luxury and service. Whether you're a honeymooning couple seeking romance, a family looking for kid-friendly fun, or a group of friends ready to party, you'll find your perfect vacation experience here. The exclusive Platinum Club area offers an extra touch of luxury for those seeking a more premium experience, while the variety of dining options ensures that even the pickiest eaters will find something to satisfy their cravings. The resort's beautiful beachfront location, combined with its extensive list of amenities and activities, creates a tropical paradise where relaxation and adventure go hand in hand. For those planning events or conferences, Grand Bavaro Princess offers excellent facilities to cater to your needs. The resort features versatile meeting spaces equipped with modern technology, perfect for corporate retreats, weddings, or other special events. The experienced event planning team is on hand to ensure every detail is taken care of, from catering to audio-visual requirements. Imagine hosting a beachfront wedding with the Caribbean Sea as your backdrop, or conducting a business meeting in a tropical paradise. At Grand Bavaro Princess, these dreams can become a reality. In conclusion, Grand Bavaro Princess All Suites Resort, Spa and Casino offers a slice of paradise that caters to every type of traveler. With its stunning beachfront location, luxurious accommodations, diverse dining options, and endless activities, it's no wonder that guests rave about their experiences here. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a bit of both, you'll find it at this tropical haven. So why wait? Start planning your dream Caribbean getaway at Grand Bavaro Princess today, and prepare to create memories that will last a lifetime in this sun-soaked paradise. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.